Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we're going to explore the giant games that PLS has available for member public libraries to borrow. These can be used to support programming or for staff to become familiar with items before purchasing their own. The games are loaned out separately and can be borrowed for up to 3 weeks. The games include the PLS lending policy, an inventory list, and where relevant, instructions for setup. Some games are sent in bins, while others have their own custom carrying case. I will briefly go over each game we have and what's included. For additional resources and activity ideas, you can contact the consulting department. The giant Jenga contains 54 wooden blocks, an instruction sheet, and an orange carrying case. Regular Jenga rules apply. The giant Jenga is recommended for ages 12 and up. Please do not leave a stacked tower unattended, and be sure that there is no glassware or fragile objects to avoid breakage when the tower ultimately falls over. We recommend playing the game on soft surfaces that cannot be damaged. The cornhole toss set includes 2 regulation-sized boards and 8 beanbags. They come in a custom carrying case. The boards come fully assembled with legs that fold out for playing. The boards are not made to support huge amounts of weight, so please do not stand on them for any reason. Please do not leave the boards outdoors for prolonged periods of time, and always store indoors when done. If the beanbags get dirty from playing outdoors, they can be washed with soap and water. Be sure to let them air dry before sending them back. The Soccer Arcade comes in a custom carrying case and is recommended for ages 5 and up. The set comes with an extensive inventory sheet to keep track of all the parts. Assembly is required and instructions are included. We recommend using the arcade outdoors or in a large indoor space such as a school gym. With 6 scoring targets on the polyester goal cover, the object of the game is to land your soccer ball in the highest scoring target. The curved incline at the top of the goal mimics a classic arcade game and makes scoring a goal much more challenging. The giant twister contains a giant playing mat, 8 pegs, 2 giant inflatable die, and a cotton bag. The set will be sent to libraries in a bin. The giant snakes and ladders contains a giant playing mat, 8 pegs, 1 inflatable die, and a cotton bag. The set will also be sent to libraries in a bin. The giant checkers set contains a giant playing mat, 4 pegs, and 24 playing pieces. The set will be sent to libraries in 2 large duffel bags. The checker pieces are made of a high density plastic, making the set perfect for outdoor use. It is also very lightweight, which helps with the delivery and setting up. Please pack the same way items are sent. You can double check all the items are returned with the included inventory sheets. If items are wet or dirty from use, please dry off or clean before returning. In cases of missing or damaged items, please contact the consulting department. Here are some photos of the carrying cases. To request any of the giant games, please check the current procedures on the PLS website under Programming Kits. If you want to learn more or have ideas for future kits, you can contact me at dlatosky@peacelibrarysystem.ab.ca.